The 17th Annual General Meeting of Ogiyan Microfinance Bank, Ejigbo, brought together management, shareholders and customers of the bank who converged to consider the audited financial statement for the year ended December 31st, 2021, auditor's report as well as the audit committee's report, and thereon declare dividend and the election of new directors, among others. While addressing the gathering, Chairman Board of Directors of Ogiyan Microfinance Bank, Mr. Timilawore, who appreciated the customers of the bank for their patronage at all times, in spite of the keen competition in the market, noted that the board members will continue to work as a team and remain selfless in their service to the bank.
We double our effort to do even more than we have been doing before. We had a center in Otla. We just built a bank, a small bank there, and we hope to go like that throughout Osun State, so that we can give everybody a chance to be part of this system.
In his remarks, one of the board of directors of Ogiyan Microfinance Bank, Prince Olufemi Oyewole, stated that the bank recorded huge success despite the challenges, most especially the increasing inflationary trend that is affecting Nigeria's economy.
Most companies have actually closed down because of diesel, but thank God we have kept using diesel, but we have also introduced solar to make sure that our costs can be managed appropriately, so that we don't pass the entire burden onto our cost structure in the organization. So we are doing that, and we're also making sure that the efficiency rates of each of our employees are increasing, so that cost per employee and per results will also improve. And that's the basis upon which we have survived, and the kind of results we have seen for 2021, which will also see greater results in 2022, is based on the trust and commitment of our staff towards this and the strategic thrust to deal with the exigencies of today.
Also speaking, Managing Director of the financial institution, Mr. Murakinyo, maintained that Ogiyan Microfinance Bank remains resolute in its vision to become one of the leading microfinance banks in Nigeria in terms of deposit volume, grassroots microfinance coverage, and resource allocation.
For 2021, the profit margin that we had was nothing less than 20%. It's quite impressive and good for any organization.
Highlights of the audited financial account of Ogiyan Microfinance Bank, Ejigbo, showed that gross earnings for 2021 stood at 141,352,711 naira. Profit before taxation was 23,803,630 naira, while profit after taxation stood at 17,015,268 naira. The event climaxed with the distribution of dividends to the shareholders of the bank. Oluchi Amuda, OSBC News.